Wagwan people, remember to live good and stay out of trouble.
Wagwan people, make sure to live good and stay out of trouble. Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place and it's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless you, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are. I don't know if I see the the voice. I know Livefoot TV is nice. I'm there on the journey to work, see? Yeah, man, the man of peace. Never left it. So I say, big up all of my loyal subscribers and fans, everybody on the platform. Thursday morning, you see me? So I have to give thanks to life. Yeah, man, you wake up, give thanks to life. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. So I say, yeah, man, so in this episode, while it's on my way to work, we're going to talk about Jamaica. They lost 3-0. Very disappointing to the Mexicans. So I say, well, not surprising, but very disappointing. We're going to talk also about Teejay and the producer, the Drift, Teejay Mac. So I say, yes, man, I'll elaborate more on it now because we see some voice notes that circle around. So, what am I tell you? You know, I am Livefoot doing thing already. We are forward. Don't go.
They gonna stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot, I am a crying. I'm begging you, please. Put on the gun, stop the pack up, bye. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it.
Yes, man, welcome back. Please, me I'm gonna please check out the EP. Welcome to Kingston. So me I say, welcome to Kingston. We just drop a new thing, a promotional thing to Prince Swanee rhythm. So me I say, them dead. So me I say, just assure us we're lyrically talented and gifted musically, so we can do it like the big acts them. You see me? Yeah, man. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. So first now, Jamaica, they were doing well in the Gold Cup. You know what I mean? Me coming from work last night after 2, you know, and I try to find a link. Big up so pipe, you know, yeah. Jump in the UPT group and ask you a link and get a link, but it never work. But anyway, me dig and find a link and I watch a match to blouse and skirt. 3-0. Jano Star. I saw it go still, but you know, if we go back to the drawing board, big up Jamaica. You know, big up the players them. You know, everybody can win at all times. So Jamaica they meet up on Mexico. You know, Mexico is a very tough team. You see me? Strong team who always make it to the World Cup or go close. You know, them always excel further than Jamaica. Zine. So it wasn't surprisingly, you know what I mean? I know Mexico have a lot of players playing all over the world. So I say for clubs. They must say, well done to the Reggae Boyz same way. Well done. Go back to the drawing board. Is it? I know we're talking about Teejay now. Teejay and DJ Mac and who made it. Because from my understanding, the rhythm is a little simple you would build the rhythm. But maybe never have a label or platform. So I make the rhythm and reach out and Teejay get the rhythm. Zine and build the song, voice the song as according to him when he voice it overseas. And link boom, so rare. See me? So I'm reaching out to DJ Mac now. And like DJ Mac say, yeah, let's do it. So anyway, this is the voice note before them kick off, so hear it.
Teejay says he needed DJ Mac.
Just take up everything in hand, brother. Just deal with artwork and all of them things. I'm going to fix up your song and send you a file. I just deal with everything what you deal with, father. Just do what you do, bro. Just do what you do, my father. Mac, I want to turn up a thing and out to that. Every 2 weeks, I want to drop a song because I notice some fest and dream and all of them go around me. I want to turn up back here right now. I don't want to hold no song. Fuck album too. Not upon that. All of them songs I have on the album, I want to release them. Me work back on one new album when they sang about some build back a momentum in the road. I have to come back to Jamaica. I need you by my side. It might sound a weird why, but I want to turn up your thing. I not left you alone out.
TJ versus DJ Mac.
Boy, Mac, I could have done it without you. Thank God it did to blood clot. I couldn't have done it without you, my friend. Thank God it did when me decide to call you again and forget to blood clot. The phone account tell me about how, remember who you get strength from. Go talk out your mother, Mac. Batty boy ever bust TJ.
So clearly my viewers and subscribers, when you hear TJ say DJ Mac, you're depending upon you, need you, and this member say TJ never really hot from where they before him find the drift. Zine might do him thing, but him not find the hit. I say a thing when they can do 10 music, you know, and none of them not hit. Zine? So this is where now, I'm sure you know, this is where TJ reached out to DJ Mac, as you clearly hear the voice now. See? I said, DJ Mac, I need you. Depend upon you, I'm going to send the voice, then the vocals them come give for your mix. I send them come give for your mix and do the thing. Thank you. Send the thing them for your mix and do the thing, you see me? And remember, music comes with gratitude, it comes with respect, it comes with timing. There's time when I can release a music, there's certain times. See? Chemistry, one of the main things, chemistry. You can release a music, you know, but you have a chemistry with a producer, you know, so anytime you're a producer they work, you know, something reliable, good for happen. Chemistry, so this is where DJ Mac come in and release the song. So I don't know what agreement they had on verbally or on paper. And it's good to do your agreement on paper, split sheets. Nothing is wrong with doing split sheets. See? So for TJ now to come out so boisterous and I tell DJ Mac about his mother, big up TJ, you know me now, I'm nothing against her. This is me lying foot attack, some talk. See? Come out and I say, it's your mother, and they're going to get a lick in your face, and you see me? And clearly, what about the respect? TJ were pleading to DJ Mac to help him, he need back a bus. You see me? He need back a bus. He might do a song every 2 weeks. He now about to work on the album because he need to come back to Jamaica. 4 years, 5 years, going into 5 years now I left Jamaica. When I was in Jamaica doing my music, I was getting good feedback, good response. All of the media outlets reach out to me. Since we come back, for financial reason. The music slowed down, yes, but I still do it, but you know, effective as when I up on the ground. So when TJ say I come back to Jamaica on the ground, because they say you finally hit them. Anybody can tell you that, yeah. You see me? But when I didn't like the way TJ come across. So boisterous and about the S-mother and licking up face. And remember, if TJ Mac never touched the project, maybe it couldn't hit. As we said, there's chemistry to the thing. You have some producers who know how to hit, how to make the thing work, and they have experience. You see? But as we say, I don't know the agreement with DJ Mac, TJ, and the young producer used to make the beat. He hasn't got much say in it, you know. But I hope TJ look out for him still. And so many some viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, I like it, man. Big up on yourself, man. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell. See you know, keep it deep on the back to fail. We reach our work now, so I'm come up for the phone. That's what I say, but yeah man, let me know what you think in the comment section below. You know what I mean? Yeah man, DJ Mac has a part in it, so let me start out them agreements and them splits and whatever, you see it? And don't bring the violence into the thing. Big up the TJ, big up DJ Mac, and big up everybody, Lion fans. All if I love, I'm out. Not another word, I'm out.